Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms on Fresha. So first, you may want to head over to fresha.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the settings icon, then click on forms. This will redirect you to the forms page. And to get started, just click on the add button. And from here, you can start creating your forms. You can start by adding client details. All you have to do is drag the section and drop it to your form. Or you can also get started with the custom section. Just add it in to your form. Just add in a section title and description, but it is optional. Then just proceed by clicking on add section. Customize details about your section. Can choose answer type or item and question. Can add answers. Then if it's a required field, then proceed by clicking on save. You can also add in client details. Just drag and drop it here. Check all the fields that you want your clients to fill out. So we can name this client details. Then proceed by adding this section. You can also get a preview on how your form will look like. And once you're done customizing and editing your form, proceed with the next step. Fill in the consultation form details, starting with the name. And also, if you want, automatically send this form to your clients before their appointment or decide when to send to your clients. Can also require client signatures or not. And once done, finalize everything by clicking on save. So from here, you have an option if you want to activate this form now or activate this later. You can see the status of your form if it is ready to be viewed and filled out by your clients. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!